welcome. You're watching dbmnTv. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the news antiphons from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Hailstones crashes Mushrot village at West Jandals district. Heavy rainfalls to quake VPP supporters. 3 consecutive days Meghalaya police seized drugs from East Jandals district. And inter-school sports to be held on 19 to 21st April in Poilumbong. And now the news in detail. As per sources, on the 18th March, residents of Mushrot village in West Jandals district encountered an aggressive hailstorm and heavy hailstones came crashing on the village, resulting to the damage of several houses and crops in the village. It is evident that the hailstones managed to pierce through all tin roofs, destroying them and causing difficulty for people inside the affected houses. The incident occurred at around 1 o'clock in the afternoon and the hailstorm still continues. Fortunately, no reports of casualties or loss of life was reported so far. On the 18th March, the Voice of the People Party held a general meeting to thank its supporters for their trust in the party that lifted 4 leader victors in the 2023 elections, and VPP had been upgraded from a regional party to a state party. Arden Miller Basayamoy, president and founder of VPP, in his speech expressed his gratitude to all the people from 18 constituencies who had chosen their leaders and lifted 4 leaders to serve for them. He shared with the public that as a party they had encountered various difficulties since they had to fight against the government in a case for not permitting teachers to involve in politics. He proudly announced that the VPP had won bravely against money politics, which is a great achievement that as a party they could enlighten the people to choose leaders for a common welfare. In the same meeting, 2 gentlemen, SF Milimngap, the lyricist of the song How Bra, and Skem Marbo, the singer who sang the song, which mesmerized the people with a sense of unity and love for one region and state, were recognized and venerated for their stupendous job. Thousands of VPP supporters showed up Polo to once again be part of the VPP party. Even the heavy rain could not put out the fire of enthusiasm in them.
Katagadai ka kubor ka bang isna marga tagadaw misgo to ya kataga jinki hadin jong election baradin jong election to kipai babi jonga o kala don kai ka jinkenwin hagari bro kamai miran southly ki jingjok ki benta ki bangi job tum ka party ngako bani to ep hagani ka por midang sengya ka party election jinge elekido jinge banyo registration Nantang habi pun kisi ka sarkar kabala kangi kinoy kay college bagimla bani don benta haga seng san protay namar ki kwa ban khanglat igi bubun kinoy kay bakin yeso bani ka voice of the people party kumba shisnem duna arsni ngelayo ig registration ngela job kisi ka sarkar ngiyo por tang kumba shibnai tam ban penkre ya ka election shibnai tam Haga jingia linti ke jingi nila job hagi south li ki benta banga kwa ye pi wei bapin kenmau yakini ki ki banga kwa ban penpau haga ni ka por ka bamenta ka baningtong nila job ya ka bor pisa kata ga ki jinjob ka baningtong ya ka bor pisa ki hes pa ki baile persya ini kila kelam kata ga dei ka jinjob ka baningtong But what ka seng kabala job buntam kabala sinsyar sansnem bat menta kabayola banyalambiang ka sarkar kamla klem de menjur ba upra ulapin wit shisha yaki
3 days straight, the Meghalaya police strived to capture drug peddlers. Their efforts were not in vain when they could seize drugs from 5 people from East Jandals district. From the 5 accused, heroin was recovered worth 28 lakhs, marijuana worth 48 lakhs, 2 vehicles and 5 mobile phones. The drug peddlers were arrested as per the law and investigation is going on to figure out other people involved and interrogation is taking place for further potential leads. The Office of the District Sports Officer, Riboy District, on the 18th March, announced that it will reorganize a football tournament for kids under 12 years of age Simultaneously, with an inter-school sports for different schools in Pribhoi, also known as the Chief Minister Inter-School Athletics Meets 2023. Regarding the sports meet, the sports office reckoned that it will start from the 19th April and will conclude on 21st April, and the office of the DSO fixed the venue of the sports meet, which will be in the RBTSA ground, Kurkalang, Bhoirumbong. The sports meet will divide the competitors in three categories: under 18, under 16, and under 14 for both boys and girls. With regards to the football tournament for students under 12 years of age, the office of the DSO arranged the match to be under the block development level. That is Umsning, Umling, Bhoirumbong, and Jirang Sen RD block, which will begin on the 24th April. The last date for registration is on the 4th April 2023.
Kani kalong kat kum ga jing pinbana bala betha na I DSO jong ka Ribhoi district te mangi na kaliang ko office jong DSO ngimut ban tumu ban pelong no ya kani ka under 12 CMYDS football tournament te kumbang julong hi pisnem gi beladap bat ka kani ka tournament ni pisange no hadin jong hakapur bagawan no kani ka COVID di hong sinem menta nak kaliang ka office jong ka director of sports kila temu ban kendok yang ini under 12 kaban sedang duduk ka block level di ya ka block level ni temu ban pelong no ha ka at Southrick April di ya ka subharu ibro khot ya ki club nantai ki schools ba kwa unshim menta kini ka block level tingi don Southrick block kata ka di ka Jirang block nanta ka Umling block Bhirbong block ba Umsning block di tahi nakaliang jungi ngikwa untip ba ya ki form ke last date nam ta ki form ki mangin ai kan de ka Southrick jong April di no tabat ka cut off year kan ba plat wal danga la pa fi ne ta cut off year kan de ka Shitrik June not less than 1st June 2012 kata kamut ba kimdei ban mo kimdei ban long hashwa jong arjar khatar du Shitrik June arjar khatar bat kimdei hadin jong kalai putrik June arjar khatsau kini bangi don kam ya bat ka birth certificate tolong compulsory balada ki participants ki kena kwa shin mental da kila ban wara ki supporting documents na mental ka birth proof ke jongki te kan khamba pula la kila ban wara lang ka birth certificate bat ka bat adhar te na thai ta kini ki jindam kam nom ta bangin sedang nom ta ni ka under 12 thai dang ta hilap ya
don ki school thumai ki bakwa banwan sumhawan ni klong ni khot sumhaya baro banyatip lang hang niru ngan shuang mangin don lightly category kata ada under 18 years nam ta ki kin thai chinrang under 16 years nam ta kin thai chinrang but under 14 years nam ta kin thai chinrang di khnang ban clear kumbai lapan shai I coach na kaliang jong football na kaliang jong ki athletic ru mi dadan cut off year nang baki nong hikai ken kamlong clear ika cut off year ngan chukule lang hang ni for the boys and girls under 14 they should not have born earlier than 30th 11 2009 and not later than 30/11 2011 kata kade cut off year for the under 14 both boys and girls the namanta ki under 16 per day can long eligibility of age can long should not have born earlier than 30th 11 2007 and not later than 30th 11 2009 and the cut off age per day yaki under 18 can long should not have been born earlier than 30th 11 2005 and not later than 30th 11 2007 mish ai lupai kini knang bagi school gin na ban kre the kino ki jinkili ba fidon ki jinkwa tip company ai kan ka athletic meet small bhaban one meet for office ka por balong tray but ki form means dang man sam na do ka sing ba art jang tayo ka ban sawan tingi khotkar party baro ki school suma banon chimenta hagini ka jingila ka chief minister district level inter school athletic meet 2023
The Government of India issued a notice on the 15th March sparing students in BA, BCom, BSc and others in different graduation programs from competing in the CUET Common University Entrance Test in colleges affiliated to Universities of Indian Government from 2023 to 2024, applying to all the northeastern states of India. Due to multiple difficulties that students faces from the region to compete in the CUET exams in comparison to other general students all over India, the Government of India ordered to cease the conduct of CUET in the northeastern regions with effect to 2023 to 2024. So viewers, with that we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.